Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Here in this video, I will be unboxing and reviewing the Syntus, hopefully I'm saying it right, the Syntus Gel Polish Kit. And if you're also new to my channel, my name is Jess and I do tips and no videos. So like I said, here in this video, we will be unboxing and reviewing and swatching this gel polish kit. Also, if you're new here, do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that you get notified to my upload, as well as do not forget to check out the description for any discount codes that are available, as well as any of my social media will also be linked down below, so make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And let's get on with unboxing the Syntus gel polish kit. So as you can see, this is what it looks like. I absolutely love the packaging. I love the flowers. I love the little details. It's so pretty. This is what the box looks like. So it says show your beauty with Syntus gel polish. This does have 22 colors. Here it does like have like info and all that, as you can see here. How to store them. It tells you how to store it, the ingredients, warnings, everything. So it does say it is valid for 12 months. This is recyclable, away from fire, away from children. Here, as you can see, it does include 22 colors as well with the base, top, and matte coat. And let's get on with opening it. So as you can see here, you just pull this down and open it. As you can see here, this is what it looks like. Super pretty. So this does come with a little user manual. If you guys have never done a mani or have never used gel polish, this does come with the manual, so it does help you very good how to apply it. So as you can see here, it shows you the directions. It has like some tips for you, some FAQs and all that, so love that. As you can see here, and this is what the colors look like. So as you can see, we have some glitters down here. We have your base, top, and matte, and then here we have the colors. So this is what it looks like, just to give you guys a quick little brief view of what they look like. So now we will get on to swatching. I'll also be using some swatch sticks. I will make sure to link down below all the products that I use. Make sure to go check out the description for the links to everything. So I will be going in with the swatch sticks, and I will also be going in obviously with my nail lamp, and I will go ahead and swatch all the colors, and you guys will see here the process. So I just swatched the first color, and can we just please talk about the packaging? I know I always talk about people's packaging and all that, but to me personally, I love when something looks very simple and very sleek. I don't know, to me this is it. As you can see, the bottom down here is glossy, and then the top, I'm not sure what you'd call this, but the top, it's like matte. And then I love that on top it has the color and the numbers, so I love that. I love when brands do this because you could easily see the color, especially because it helps you a lot when like you have other brands as well. So as you can see here, it says Syntus Gel Polish Color Coat, and then these do contain 5.0 ml, and then in the back it does have the ingredients and the warnings. So as you can see here, this is what it looks like, and I absolutely love. So this is the first color that I did swatch, and this is what it looks like. Super nice and pigmented. I love that, especially for it being like more of a pastel color. It is very nice and pigmented, as you could see here. So now we'll be swatching the rest.
Then dip me underway. Fill my flow. Hold me till I scream for air breathe, and wash me over until my well runs dry. Send all your sins all over me, baby.
Okay, so as you can see, I did swatch all of them. I did put them in the little thing just because I haven't named them yet, like put the numbers on them. So as you can see, I'm gonna just show you guys like this. This is what some of them look like. I did want to show you guys some of the colors. As you can see here, very nicely pigmented. I absolutely loved every color, and I really liked the pigmentation on them. As you can see, this is the perfect glitter for like the fall right now. I thought this one was really pretty. Like I did mention, it did come with some glitter, so it did come with 6 glitters, and then the rest are colors, and then obviously your top, your base, and your matte. So just to show you guys some of the colors here that I received. As you can see, look at this blue. This is very pretty, and these are all so pretty. Look at this nude. they even comes with like some neon colors, as you could see, which this row right here was like neon. I feel like each row kind of has like similar colors. So here you have like your darks, your neons, your like pastels. So I really liked this gel polish kit. It is definitely good if you're a beginner, whether you guys are just starting your collection or whatever the case may be. I definitely recommend I get your guys this gel polish kit, because honestly it does come with a variety of colors as well as the glitters. As you can see here in the front, they are all so pretty, and you can see some of the colors here in the back as well. And then obviously, like I did mention, it does come with its matte base and top, as you can see, which are these three here. So as you can see, the top and the base have like the glossy finish, and then obviously the matte one has the matte finish, which we love. So these actually contain 8.0 ml, so these do contain more than the actual gel polish, which is really good, because obviously you do definitely need your top and your base. And then obviously if you want to do a matte, you always have your matte, as you can see here. And same thing with the packaging, it has the same thing as the other gel polishes, except these do have some directions. So this, for in case this is your base, so it says apply a thin layer, coat, protect your nails, and make sure your color lasts long. So like you would apply this to your nail and you would cure it for 90 seconds until it's dry. Same thing with these other ones, just depending on what type of nail lamp that you have, obviously, as well. So as you can see, these are the matte top and base. That is going to be the end to this video. I hope that you guys enjoyed. Definitely comment down below which color caught your attention most. I absolutely love these colors, and definitely comment down below if you guys want to see a set with these. I would love to create a set with these, so make sure to comment down below if you guys want to see a video on that as well. Do not forget to like, subscribe, and comment. Do not forget to turn on the bell so that you get notified to my upload, as well as do not forget to check out the description for this collection, as well as any discount codes that are available. Make sure to go check that out if you guys haven't. And again, these are the final colors. As you can see here, it is a little bit hard to see them, but this is what they all look like. I don't want to mess them up and ruin and forget which color is which, but like I said, I do like that each bottle has the color and the number on top, so that is very helpful, which I appreciate. Again, this is the final result. Definitely comment down below which one was your favorite, and I hope that you guys enjoyed this video, and see you guys in the next one.